Organic farming has gained significant attention in recent years as a sustainable and environmentally friendly alternative to conventional agriculture. Organic farming practices emphasize the use of natural inputs, biodiversity conservation, and soil health enhancement. This article aims to explore the various organic farming practices and their positive environmental impacts. By understanding the principles and methods of organic agriculture, we can appreciate its potential to mitigate the adverse effects of conventional farming on the environment. The principles of organic farming is guided by several key principles that distinguish it from conventional agriculture. These principles include soil health improvement, biodiversity conservation, ecological balance, and the avoidance of synthetic inputs. Organic farmers adopt holistic approaches to farming systems, focusing on the interdependence of soil, plants, animals, and humans. Soil health enhancement. One of the fundamental aspects of organic farming is the emphasis on maintaining and improving soil health. Organic farmers prioritize practices that enhance soil fertility, such as composting, crop rotation, green manure, and the use of organic amendments. These practices contribute to increased soil organic matter, improved water holding capacity, and enhanced nutrient cycling, leading to healthier and more resilient soils. Pest and disease management. Organic farming employs various strategies for pest and disease management that minimize the use of synthetic chemicals. Integrated pest management (IPM) techniques, such as biological control, crop rotation, and the use of resistant plant varieties, are integral to organic farming systems. These approaches promote natural pest control and reduce the negative impacts of chemical pesticides on ecosystems and human health. Biodiversity conservation. Organic farming practices encourage the preservation and promotion of biodiversity on farms. By avoiding the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, organic farms provide habitats for beneficial insects, birds, and other wildlife. Planting hedgerows, maintaining buffer zones, and creating wildlife-friendly landscapes contribute to increased biodiversity and ecological balance, fostering a more sustainable farming environment. Water conservation and management. Organic farming practices prioritize efficient water management to reduce water consumption and minimize the risk of water pollution. Techniques such as mulching, cover cropping, and precision irrigation help conserve water and maintain soil moisture levels. By avoiding synthetic chemicals, organic farming also minimizes the contamination of groundwater and surface water, protecting aquatic ecosystems. Climate change mitigation. Organic farming has the potential to contribute to climate change mitigation through various practices. Organic farms generally have higher levels of soil organic matter, which sequesters carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Furthermore, organic farming avoids the use of synthetic fertilizers that contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, organic practices such as agroforestry, conservation tillage, and the use of cover crops can help reduce soil erosion and promote carbon sequestration. Reduced environmental pollution. Conventional agriculture relies heavily on synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, which can have detrimental effects on the environment. Runoff from these chemicals can contaminate water bodies, leading to eutrophication and biodiversity loss. In contrast, organic farming reduces the risk of pollution through the use of natural inputs and environmentally friendly practices. This reduction in chemical pollution benefits not only the ecosystem but also human health. Energy efficiency and renewable resources. Organic farming promotes energy efficiency by emphasizing natural processes and reducing reliance on fossil fuel-based inputs. Organic farms utilize renewable resources such as solar energy, wind power, and bioenergy, thereby reducing greenhouse gas emissions associated with energy consumption. By adopting renewable energy sources, organic farming contributes to a more sustainable and resilient agricultural system. Conclusion. Organic farming practices offer significant environmental benefits by prioritizing soil health, biodiversity conservation, water management, and climate change mitigation. These practices reduce the use of synthetic chemicals, promote sustainable resource management, and minimize environmental pollution. By adopting organic farming methods, we can move towards a more sustainable and resilient agricultural system that supports ecological balance, protects the environment, and promotes long-term food